play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, with the grind, make a change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss that fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, and go out in a bag, 'cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact, and I don't feel no shame. It's a mood you lack. I go crazy. Nah, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, all this fuel got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath. I'd rather lead than be led. I'll feel the seeds as they spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Paano kung hindi ka nakilala? Siguro nakakulong pa din sa nakaraan, di makalaya ang sarili, pinadaya, naglalasing-lasing, hindi pala kaya, ayokong magising nang di ka kasama. Kung nandito ka sa tabi, mas masaya sana. Ngayon hinahanap ka, nasasaktan, buti na lang may alak pa na nasasandalan. Dinadaan ko lang sa angat ang nararamdaman, para naman kahit paano gumaan. Dahil sa totoo lang, sa'yo ko lang to naramdaman. Ganito pala ang magmahal, mayroong kabaliktaran. Para maintindihan, minsan kailangang masaktan. Hey, paano kung hindi ka nakilala? Siguro nakakulong pa din sa nakaraan, di makalaya. Paano kung hindi ka nakilala? Siguro nakakulong pa din sa nakaraan, di makalaya. Baby, let's go one more time. I can't get you out of my mind, yeah. Di na makapaghintay, yeah. I just want to get high, I just wanna see your smile, I just wanna feel
sino nga siya? Siya si Kagome na may hawak na mahiwagang hiya. Sabang ako si Inuyasha. Nagbago ang tingin ko sa lahat. Pagmula nung masandal ako sa puno ng akasya.